I was just scrolling through my social media feed, and I saw that Emma Stone talked about the gelatin trick she's been using to get radiant skin for the red carpet. Apparently, she's been adding it to her morning routine and swears by its ability to give her that elusive glow. I have to admit, I was intrigued, so I started digging deeper into what this gelatin trick is all about. It's essentially a simple way to get more collagen into your system, which is amazing for your skin and nails. My friend who's been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now has noticed a huge difference in her nail strength. They're no longer brittle and weak, and her skin looks amazing too. As she told me about her experience with the gelatin trick, I realized that it's not just about throwing some gelatin into your coffee or tea, but about making it a consistent part of your daily routine. If you're curious to learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in my description below for more information. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment, where I've shared some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. To start seeing the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself, just head to the link and start your journey to healthier skin and stronger nails today.